Ever wondered how your favorite bath soap is meticulously crafted from nature's finest ingredients with the Adhis soap manufacturing plant? From hand-picked organic ingredients to precise blending techniques, every step of our process is designed to deliver the highest quality. Our soap stamping machineries imprint each bar precisely, allowing us to stamp your unique designs with perfection. Flow wrap machineries seamlessly wrap products with perfect seal, beautifully packaged and ready to nourish your skin. Looking to boost production, eliminate errors, and reduce manpower? Contact us for automated machinery solutions.